Hello everyone. Are you looking for job opportunities on the go? In this video, I will walk you through applying for a job using the LinkedIn application in 2023. You will learn how to search for relevant job postings, customize your job application, and much more. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So guys, here I'm going to use both Reddit and LinkedIn to do the work. So first of all, here as a Moroccan citizen, I once I opened my LinkedIn account, here I had at your feed, and I have already here some of the groups that will help me get some job offers in Morocco. And this is so much popular in Morocco since people only use LinkedIn to get a job. People are not really using it for anything else. So here what you could do, the same thing, just create an account and try to search for such names. So for example, for me, I'm from Morocco, so I'm going to search for job offers in Morocco. So something similar to these names, and you will find a lot, trust me guys. Here you will find even the type of the job, so human resources. Here you can view all the recommendation and all the people that actually given these jobs. So all of these companies are actually looking for people to hire in Morocco at the moment. So now let me just go back and let's try to go and follow one of these or open them. So here they are, and here they are actually publishing every day, like books or something like that, or some kind of jobs that you can apply for. So here is it, for example, a job that you can apply for. Here there is an English teaching class. There is here the same thing. Here we go. So here they are looking for someone. Let me just translate this for you real quick. So I'm going to copy this for you so you can really understand that these groups are actually looking for people. So here, recruiting a human resource manager. We are looking for a human resources manager back. Baccalaureate plus 5 years in human resources management experience in a similar position. Clinical private hospital experience is mandatory. The position is based on the International Private Hospital of Casablanca, etc., etc. So and this post has been posted like 1 hour ago, as you might notice here. So these groups are actually real. They are not fake. They are not old. It's not like an old fashioned to find like jobs in LinkedIn. It is actually the current fashion. If you were like just finished with your classes, with your school, with your faculty, LinkedIn will help you a lot to find at least like an experience to work with the minimum amount of salary that you can think of. So here's 7 hours ago, 1 hour ago, so there is actually so many things to find, and this is for example for human resources. This one is for like let me just serve. So this one is for maintenance technicians. Here we are looking for technicians in the following fields. So there is not only one offer for only one post of job. There is actually for a lot of post of jobs, and companies are paying these people to share and to publish these kind of posts in their feeds so they can get people to work in that post, because sometimes like some companies they fire some people, the people that are working in the job finds a better job and they leave the job empty, and they need someone to replace that place so fast, and that's why they pay this kind of people to publish this job and for you to find a job real quick. And also for those who doesn't know, they leave even like the how to apply link over here. So for example, here if I case I wanted to apply, they will take me to another web page where I can apply. So this is in Morocco as an example. Of course it will work like that in any other country, and this is not only in Morocco, since I will show you this Reddit, which is a worldwide thing. So here it is, Reddit, which is completely in English. Nothing has been changed here. As you can see, there is no translation. So here, does anyone actually get jobs through LinkedIn? And Indeed, I strongly suspect I am wasting my time, especially since I'm not even hearing back from anyone. So here there is some reviews. So here we go. Every job I've had for the latest 6 to 8 years have been found via LinkedIn, ranging from generic entry level customer service office work to my current position in IT. And there is another person who says, same here. All jobs I have landed in the past 10 years were through LinkedIn in the IT field, full time and consulting. The key is networking. Simply applying for posted jobs never worked for me. My success was using my network and sending direct messages to hiring managers and or HR, which is human resources. So here are some tips for you guys, including like how to contact them, how to actually see how to get your job. So I have put my hiring manager hat on. The note does two things. The applicant is going above and beyond what others are doing, so this may also hint at their work ethic. When I have a stack of resumes, I will put that person's out if the note is professional. So these things that you have to put in mind. So here's some like answers as well. So I've heard back from several employers from LinkedIn, and I have had a few interviews. What field I did too? This was for operations. I got one job from LinkedIn and dozens of interviews from recruiter contacts and even occasional from a LinkedIn application, marketing, tech in S Bay area. So these are all the people and jobs that people actually got into only using LinkedIn. So let's search, for example, in something else. So here I'm going to search jobs offers, and as you can see here already in Canada, in Morocco. So here let's add jobs offer in USA. See all results, and here we will find recruiter at jobs in UAE. So jobs in USA, I'm recruiting for the following for a 1 year plus contract. 8 will testing operators, 10 will testing senior operators. Rotation will be offered as well as flights, accommodation and food covered, please. Apply online with us, must be available to start within 2 weeks and have Middle East experience. So here, as you can see, you can just go through it and you will find a lot of things. So here I have 2 months. This one is like looking for some people here. I mean, it's just up to you to find like the correct like keywords. So job offer. So jobs, for example, in Dubai, as an example. And here we go. So here you will find recruitment manager, data scientist, and here 6 days ago. So here we go. Urgently hiring now. So Nestle careers new job. So here click here to apply. So there are actually links and pages to explain to you what kind of job do you need, how much people do they need, the job title, the quantity that they need, and everything in details. So this is a Nestle company that has been opened recently in the Dubai, I think, and people are actually needing they need people to actually start working. So they need at least 300 coffee specialists, 320 electrician, 300 female sales executives, junior technician better 80, and so go on the list. So this is a thing to go for in case you really wanted to get a job. And yeah, guys, that was completely it. I hope you like this video, and let's meet in the next tutorial.